So I organized a visit to Bruce Mao Design Studio with Youth from UforChange because I wanted them to get to be able to see what an actual work environment looks like, a creative work environment, and to see how different people with different backgrounds can come together to do interesting work, because they do put a diverse body of work. So I hope that from this visit, youth in our program were able to see how creativity can be used as a tool to communicate a lot of different ideas. So Bruce Mao is doing a lot of work around strategy, branding, business, planning, that kind of thing. And they're doing it rather than showing charts and numbers. They're using a lot of creative tools, so graphics, slogans, manifestos, etc., to communicate that same idea. And it's a very valuable process for a lot of companies. So I think it's an interesting studio for the reason that they're not doing standard projects. They're doing a lot of different things in different areas, and I think that's a good example for youth to see that they can apply various skills in various areas, and it's not like you go to school for graphic design so you're just laying out books for the rest of your life. Like, there's a lot of applications that cross over. So that's why we went there. So what I was hoping that the studio would learn about our organization is that we're this interesting organization that's happening in the city, that we're engaging a really diverse group of youth, and we're engaging them in a lot of different arts forms, but art also looking at community matters and larger issues than just basically being purely creative and putting pen to paper, like that it's more of a mindset as opposed to technical skill. So what's next? I would like to continue to do more of these field trips out in the community, in the city, and with different industries. Quite a few of the youth have expressed interest in going to an architecture firm, so I'd like to organize that. And then maybe look at some other businesses like Course Entertainment that deals again with a very broad aspect of broadcasting. And yeah, I'd like them to just get as much experience as possible talking to people who have been working in different fields, seeing what they did in terms of their background to get to where they are, and what they do during their current job and what they hope to achieve further on, so that youth can see sort of the steps they need to take to get to where they want to go.